If emotions sometimes feel intense, overwhelming, or hard to manage, you are not alone. Dialectical Behavior Therapy, also known as DBT, offers practical tools to help people respond to emotions with more clarity and stability. In this video, DBT skills are explained using real-life examples you can relate to. A companion worksheet and a short reflection survey are linked in the description if you want to go deeper. DBT is built on a simple but powerful idea. Two things can be true at once. Your emotions make sense based on your experiences, and you can still learn new ways to respond. Instead of trying to eliminate feelings, DBT focuses on building skills that help you move through them more effectively. DBT focuses on four main skill areas. Mindfulness helps you stay present without judgment, allowing you to observe your thoughts as they pass. Distress tolerance helps you get through hard moments without making things worse, building your capacity to withstand painful emotions. Emotion regulation helps you understand and shift emotional intensity, giving you more agency over your internal state. And interpersonal effectiveness helps you communicate your needs while maintaining self-respect and protecting your relationships. Imagine receiving critical feedback at work. Thoughts start racing and emotions spike. A DBT approach would slow the moment down. Pause, notice your breathing, and name what you are feeling. Instead of reacting immediately, you choose a response aligned with your long-term goals. Now imagine a disagreement with a partner or friend. The urge might be to shut down or argue back quickly. DBT teaches a different path. These skills help you describe what happened, express how you feel, and ask for what you need, all while protecting the relationship. One core DBT tool is the stop skill. Stop what you are doing. Take a breath. Observe what is happening inside and around you, then proceed mindfully. Another distress tolerance skill involves changing your physical state. Resetting your nervous system can happen in seconds. Splashing cool water on your face or holding something cold briefly can help regulate your nervous system when emotions feel overwhelming. Opposite action invites you to take a small step in a healthier direction, like taking a short walk instead of withdrawing completely. DBT describes three mental states: emotion mind, reason mind, and wise mind. Wise mind is the balanced space where emotion and logic meet. A simple question to ask yourself is, what would wise mind say right now? This clarity is the heart of DBT practice. When practiced consistently, DBT skills can support emotional balance, reduce impulsive reactions, and improve relationships. Progress usually happens through small daily choices rather than dramatic change. Every moment is a new opportunity to choose. Here is a reflection prompt to explore after this video. When strong emotions show up, what do they usually ask you to do? And what might wise mind invite instead? You can write this in the companion worksheet linked below in the description. Strong emotions are information, not instructions. With practice, you can learn to respond with intention rather than impulse. If this video resonated, check out the companion worksheet and the survey below. Which DBT skill feels most helpful right now? Your reflection helps shape future videos.